said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my...
Hey guys, I know I've been MIA and I've abandoned my YouTube, but I'm going to change starting now. I've been really busy, and yeah, so come and spend the weekend with me. Right now I'm going to the beach, and you guys are coming with me. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. Only stops have trouble me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out.
I'm here and sun is beating me, but I'm happy to be here. And I don't know if you can see this fish, but yeah, we're on the beach.
This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these knocks have trouble me. Fighting to give up my babe. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my dog. I really need to free my dog. I really need your dog. I need to free my mind out. I really need your dog. I really need to free my dog. I really need your dog. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.
Moana.
We've been done long before it all began.
Oh my god. My first time at the beach, guys, you won't even believe it. My first
Text to me.
And this will be my last. Never. I'm having too much fun. Too much. And I've almost drunk like 10 times.
I was not here.
People can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth will stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you.
Next day.
Morning, guys. So sorry that I just ghosted after I left the beach. My phone was literally almost dead, and I was tired. So like, yeah. One thing nobody tells you is that after the amount of times that you fall down inside the water, you feel like, oh, nothing happened, you aren't injured. Guy, I have bruises on my body. Like, no, I don't even know if they are visible, but like I can feel pain even on my face. I can literally feel pain. and sand will follow you everywhere. Like there's sand on this tripod right now, and I cleaned it. I actually cleaned it. So there were a lot of clips I wasn't able to get yesterday because I was having so much fun and I couldn't put my phone in the water or I was scared. But I went kayaking and I later got a floater, which made my life so much easier because after the amount of times that I drank water, like I drank salt water, that floater made my life so much easier. And I was able to go into the water like very, very well. Not just near the shore, able to actually swim. Yeah, I went kayaking. I'm so sad that I was not able to get the clips of me kayaking. But it's alright, it's okay. I'm going to watch basketball. I'm going to video Chad play. If you don't know who Chad is, you're going to find out today. But Chad is my friend. Yeah. Let's get ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go.
We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch, even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it.
I've been back home for like more than an hour now. I'm just really tired, and I think I have sunburns. I don't really know, but my body is preparing me. My body is red, so I think I have sunburns. But now I want to watch JJK on my brother's Kindle. Yeah, my brother has a Kindle, really old one, so we just use it to watch movies and stuff. So yeah, let's do that.
The next day.
Good morning. I am literally in church's toilet. If you can hear any voices, because there's some women outside discussing. So basically, I know I went to bed. I did a video saying I went to bed. I wasn't able to like vlog this morning because I was rushing. I was really rushing, and I wasn't able to vlog anything. But I'm at church now, and yeah, let me show you my outfits. I don't know if you can see, but this is literally the fit. My mom is back, and I'm going to Timmy's church today, so I won't be able to vlog during service. I might, but like Timmy's church is stricter, more strict. English is not my first language, whatever.
Both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. You have come to the end of this video in a very weird way because I abandoned the video for like a week. And today is Sunday and I'm supposed to post it today, and I just realized I do not have an outro. So this is the outro. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. More videos will be coming. I promise I'll try to be consistent now with stuff like crocheting, little vlogs, and like hair content. Yeah, anything I feel like doing, I will do. I will film it. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. subscribe so that I can grow and to motivate me to be more consistent. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.